You think you know butterflies? Think again. We see them fluttering around our gardens, these delicate, colorful insects, and we think, oh, how pretty. But what if I told you that their entire world, their entire way of experiencing reality is so alien and so much more complex than we could ever imagine? Forget everything you thought you knew about how animals sense their threat. We're about to dive into a truly mind-bending fact that will completely change how you see these creatures. So get comfortable, because we're about to uncover a secret superpower that's been right under our noses, ... or more accurately, right under their tiny little feet. Imagine this: you're walking through a beautiful meadow filled with flowers. To decide which one smells the sweetest or looks the most delicious, you'd probably use your nose and eyes, right? Well, a butterfly does something far more direct and, honestly, a bit bizarre. When a butterfly lands on a flower, it's not just taking a rest, it's tasting it. That's right, butterflies taste with their feet. Their feet are covered in incredibly sensitive chemoreceptors, which are basically taste sensors. The moment their feet touch a leaf or a petal, they get an instant chemical readout. They can tell if the plant is nutritious, if it's poisonous, or if it's the perfect place for a female to lay her eggs. Think about the implications of that. For a female butterfly, finding the right host plant for her caterpillars is a life or death decision. The caterpillars are often very picky eaters and can only survive on one or a few specific types of plants. So she flies from leaf to leaf, landing, drumming her feet lightly, and literally taste testing the foliage to find that one perfect nursery for her future offspring. It's like walking through a grocery store and being able to identify every single item just by stepping on it. This incredible ability ensures the survival of the next generation. It's a level of sensory perception that is just so different from our own. We experience the world through our 5 main senses, but for a butterfly, the line between touch and taste is completely blurred. But their feet are just the beginning of their sensory marvels. Let's talk about their eyes. You've probably noticed those large, intricate eyes on either side of a butterfly's head. These aren't like our eyes at all. They are compound eyes, made up of thousands of tiny individual lenses called amatidia. Each one captures a small piece of the picture, and the butterfly's brain stitches it all together to form a wide pixelated view of the world. This gives them an almost 360-degree field of vision, which is perfect for spotting predators approaching from any direction. What's even more fascinating is what they can see that we can't. Butterflies can perceive ultraviolet light. To us, a flower might look like a solid yellow color. But to a butterfly, that same flower might have intricate patterns, like a glowing bullseye, that are only visible in the UV spectrum. These patterns act like neon signs, guiding the butterfly directly to the nectar at the center of the flower. They are literally following a secret, ultraviolet roadmap that is completely invisible to us. It's a hidden layer of reality that they navigate every single day. And we can't forget about their antennae. These aren't just feelers, they are highly sophisticated chemical detectors. Think of them as a combination of a nose and a GPS. Butterflies use their antennae to smell nectar from far away, catching faint scents carried on the wind. They also use them to detect pheromones, special chemical signals released by other butterflies. This is how they find mates. A male butterfly can follow the invisible trail of a female's pheromones from a remarkable distance. The antennae are so sensitive, they can even help the butterfly sense wind direction and maintain its balance in flight. They are truly multifunctional sensory tools, crucial for navigation, finding food, and continuing their species. So, the next time you see a butterfly gracefully land on a flower, remember what's really happening. It's not just a simple insect, it's a sensory masterpiece. It's tasting with its feet, seeing a world of hidden colors with its compound eyes, and smelling its way through the air with its incredible antennae. The world of a butterfly is a vibrant, complex tapestry of tastes, ultraviolet patterns, and chemical signals that we can barely comprehend. The fact that they can taste with their feet is just one piece of an absolutely astonishing puzzle. The natural world is full of these mind-blowing adaptations, and butterflies are one of its most beautiful examples. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive into the amazing world of butterfly senses. I hope it's given you a new appreciation for these incredible creatures. If you found this as fascinating as I do, please hit that like button and subscribe for more wonders from the natural world. What was your favorite butterfly fact? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.